What is going on, guys? Welcome back. You could see, got a mic, and I'm recording this reaction video with a mic. So, let me know how it sounds down in the comment section down below. And today, we're going to be reacting to Final Handcuff Escape from Night Vibe. Now this was, I believe, 4 months old, 4 months ago, and he actually bring back the Handcuff Escape around 2 weeks ago. Got to over 1,000 views, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna react to it in 3, 2, 1. An ad.
So, yes, this is going to be the final Handcuff Escape for a long time, but there's some things coming with it. I'm already working on a couple escape posters.
Escape poster?
I mean, I remember the first one. It wasn't that bad. I mean, I got like 100, 200 views. I mean, I know some of you may not want to watch this. I mean, I'll eventually come back to it. I mean, it's not gonna. I mean, it might be a year, might be 2 years.
It was 4 months, not a year or two.
Back.
He hasn't had this channel for a year or two. He actually has other channels. I don't know the names of them though. He's just trying to escape.
And now some of you
weren't
really
escaped?
satisfied with my in front handcuff escape. So,
wait, did he escape or did he not put them on? Well, wait, what? Or is now he's doing the escape?
Behind my back.
I don't know. It's like maybe he's doing 2 in this video. I don't know.
I have my camera cutouts. So, yes, this is the final. I mean, if more people subscribe and
I had fun.
Back, maybe I'll take it and get it back.
Okay, now he's showing photos of when he was doing handcuff escapes. I like when someone shows a photo and them like having fun, you know, with it. He used to put that at the end of every video, like like the picture of the magic wand thing. Anyways, what do you guys think of the video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Now, peace out.